All skin types. Yes, I have seen brands mention this on their product packaging when their product is not suitable for all and every skin types. And I'm sure आपने भी जरूर कहीं ना कहीं पे देखा होगा. And I'm glad that खादी ने ऐसा कुछ mention नहीं किया है उनके outer packaging of at least this product. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to review and show you a step-by-step demo of how you can do this facial at home, which is Khadi Chocolate Anti-Aging Mini Facial Kit at home. And I will also let you know the difference between this facial kit and the other facial kits available in the market in the same price range in terms of quality, quantity, pros and cons, and also in terms of end results. And how can I let you know the difference between this and others, because I have tried and tested a lot of facial kits on my channel itself. There's a playlist named as facial kits where I've done a lot of facial kits reviews, almost more than 10-11 facial kits reviews. So if you haven't yet checked it out, I will leave that playlist link down in the description box. After watching this video, go to the description box and watch those videos. You can choose the right kind of facial kit for yourself. And if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, I would request you to subscribe, press the bell icon, and yeah, without further ado, let's get into the review. This is the outer packaging, which says Khadi Chocolate Anti-Aging Mini Facial Kit. They claim this reduces wrinkles and stress, rehydrating and revitalizing therapy, dead cell removal and rejuvenating the cells, moisturizing and toning. This also says for glowing, soothing and flawless skin. When you flip the packaging, you will get to see all 5 steps are mentioned at the back of the packaging with the direction of how you can use this product. And yes, this is a 5-step facial kit, and each of the step contains 15 grams of product, which makes it a total of 75 grams, and the price of this is 299. So you're getting 75 grams of product at 299 INR. At this price range, I have to say hands down this is the winner, because the other facial kits available in the market will provide you hardly 40 grams of product, but this is providing you 75 grams. So hands down this is the winner. Quantity wise, this is the inner packaging, and all the steps they come inside these containers, which is hygienically a plus point. And again, another if I talk about another difference, then at this price range, other facial kits will provide you their products inside sachets instead of containers. This is a 5-step facial kit, and at this similar price range, there are certain brands out there in the market who sell 6-step facial kits. And yes, though their quantity is lesser, very less than this one, but still they provide you 6 steps. And the last step of those facial kits are moisturizers or cream or any sort of sunscreen. But the last step over here is a face mask. Now let's just get into the demo. This is the first step, which is Khadi Natural Chocolate Cleanser with Honey. They have not mentioned over their packaging whether to damp your face or not in the first step. So मैंने भी अपने face को damp नहीं किया, and directly I am applying a small quantity on my entire face and my neck area. First step really smells like chocolate, and I have to say the quantity is enough for multiple use, not just only 2 uses but more than 2 uses. And they say that you have to apply this on your face and neck, and you have to massage it for 5 to 10 minutes. Now to wipe off your face. Now when I was wiping my face off, I could see this pinkish brownish tint on the wipe. Now I'm not very sure whether this is the dirt from my face or is it the color of the cleanser. Now comes the second step, which is a Khadi Natural Chocolate Butter Scrub with Almond Oil. Now this smells like cocoa butter, and the quantity is again enough for multiple uses. And the directions as mentioned is that you have to moisten the face and neck and apply the butter scrub and massage gently for 5 to 10 minutes, avoiding the areas around your eyes, and rinse well with lukewarm water and pat dry. Scrub particles are very minute, and I would highly urge you to please be very gentle while scrubbing your face, because this can cause micro tears on your skin. After scrubbing my face for 5 to 10 minutes, then I washed off my face with lukewarm water and pat my skin dry, and this is but my skin looks like. So I was pressing my fingers onto my face because my face was feeling very soft after this step. Now let's move on to the third step, which is chocolate massage cream with cocoa butter. Again, smells very much like chocolate, like coconut chocolate, something like that sort. The directions are: apply small quantity on face and massage thoroughly for 10 minutes and wipe off with moist cotton. This also contains enough quantity. The fourth step is chocolate facial gel with chocolate chunks. Now I have to say that the quantity of this product, I felt like you can only use for 2 times. So the directions to use is that you have to gently massage the gel for 5 minutes and clean with moist cotton. Now when I was cleaning this with moist cotton, I could again see that pinkish brownish light tint on the cotton, and I think this is the dirt from my face that you could see, because the color of this gel was not brown. Yeah, that's what I felt. So I could probably say that this is the dirt from my face, and I'm showing you on camera. And the last step is this chocolate facial pack with grapeseed oil. Now this is the directions to use this is: apply the mask at the final stage of facial and then clean after 10 to 15 minutes with plain water. So right now I am applying this over my face and I will let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. And yeah, now I have washed my face and this is what my face looks like. Of course, this looks clean and soft. Though this says that this is anti-aging facial product, but definitely I think it's not possible to see any anti-aging property with just only one use. So I am not taking anti-aging into consideration. But yeah, of course my skin looks very soft, hydrated, and throughout the night it kept my skin very moisturized. Now my skin is combination sensitive skin, like I have dry, like little dry cheek, and my T-zone is extremely oily. This is me 5 days after me doing the facial. So here I am with the pros and cons of this facial kit that I'm going to discuss with you, so that it will be beneficial for you to decide whether you want to buy this facial kit or not. About the first pro, which is price and quantity. So price and quantity wise, this is the hands down the winner, because at this price you are getting 75 grams, whereas other facial kits hardly will provide you 37 to 40 grams of product, but this is giving you 75 grams, so which is hands down, this makes this a winner. Next point is that you can use this for multiple number of times, not just for 2 use, but you can use it for 3 times, 4 times as well. About the con, now there are few brands out there who provide you 6-step facial kit. Like the last step they always have is like a moisturizer or a cream or a sunscreen, but this product has only 5 steps. This facial kit has only 5 steps, and the last step is a face pack. They don't provide you any moisturizing cream or like a moisturizing gel or sunscreen sort of. So this is the only con that I found in this product at this price range. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys in determining whether to buy this product or not, and to understand the difference between this and the other products. So if this video is helpful, and if you want to save your money in the future as well, then subscribe my channel, because I do a lot of review videos. So subscribe, press the bell icon, and if you like this video, give this video a big fat thumbs up, and I will meet you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.